what I'm all saying is that I'm not going to sit down until this person is off the plane. Because he will most likely get killed if he is on this plane when it goes up. And the pilot has the right to say that he is not allowed to be on the plane. And as long as he is not on the plane, then I will comply. But I don't want a man's life to be taken away just because you don't want to miss your flight.
Can you please turn it off first of all? Because now you are an unruly passenger. You are not doing what you have to do on board. Okay?
I'm doing what I can to save a person's life. As long as a person is standing up, and if more people are standing up, then the pilot can't take off. So all I want to do is to stop the deportation, and then I will comply with the rules here. This is all perfectly legal, and I have not committed a crime.
And you're upsetting all the people down there.
What?
So I don't care what you think.
I'm just asking,
I'm just telling
what
you,
is
I don't
more
care.
important, your life
No.
or the time?
What about all these children on here? You are frightening. Turn your phone off.
Don't take my phone.
Sir.
Thank you. So an English guy just got really angry and he stole my phone, but the flight attendant was really nice and took it back for me and gave it back. I'm trying to stop this. I'm trying to stop it.
It's your country's rules.
Yeah, I'm trying to change my country's rules. I don't like them. It's not right to send people to hell.
But you're preventing all these passengers to going their destination.
Yeah, but they're not going to die. He's going to die.
How do you know that?
Because it's Afghanistan. So there's a Turkish guy helping me out and telling me that what I'm doing is right?
They are with you. No problem.
He's with me,
Also
with him, and some people are really applauding all this that I'm doing. They're taking his bags out, so I'm just waiting for the flight attendant to make me say that it's okay for me to go at the back of the plane to go out.
Bravo.
It's going to be alright.
So in this situation, you have to leave the aircraft too.